There are a lot of confusing and misunderstood technology and PC related terms, and I'm going to sort some of them out for you. For example, this one always gets me. The P at the end of 1080p, for instance, doesn't actually stand for pixels. Instead, it stands for progressive scan, referring to how each frame is rendered on your screen. Here's another one I bet you've heard of, DRAM. Most of you probably know that RAM stands for Random Access Memory, and it's used in computers to temporarily store data it needs to function. The D means dynamic. There are a lot of differences between dynamic and static RAM, but simply put, DRAM is most commonly used as the main source of RAM in a system. So the amount of RAM listed on a product page is talking about the dynamic RAM. Static RAM is extremely fast but expensive, so it's sparingly used as cache in CPUs as tremendously speedy memory. Continuing in a similar vein, you may have heard of the abbreviation DDR being thrown around. It stands for double data rate, denoting that data is transferred twice per clock cycle, hence being more efficient than single data rate. You may have also heard of anti-aliasing, or AA. Aliasing is when square pixels on a screen appear jagged when attempting to display a rounded shape, or really anything that's not a straight line. There are a lot of different types of anti-aliasing techniques, but essentially all of them attempt to eliminate the jaggedness by filling in the gaps, so to speak. Basically, AA is a way of getting a sharper image without increasing resolution. Let me know if you guys want a more detailed video on anti-aliasing, and get subscribed so you won't miss it. And here's a fun one, GNU/Linux. The GNU part stands for GNU's not Unix, which leads to a clever nesting doll type of name. GNU refers to the collection of programs in the operating system developed by the GNU project. Linux, as I'm sure you know, is a kernel, the core part of the OS that interacts with your PC hardware. And those are all the terms that I'm going to cover in this video. If you want a second part where I cover more tech terms, just comment down below. And leave a like, just because you can.